We just landed at Hong Kong International Airport and we're so excited for our first day here. After arriving, we took the train to Terminal 1 to start our adventure. First things first, we went to the A13 booth to get our tourist octopus card, which we booked through Klook. It cost around 735. From the airport, we followed the bus signage to find our way to the bus station. We took bus S1, which cost HKD 3.7. And used Google Maps to navigate around Hong Kong. Make sure to press the bell after Tung Chung Cable Car Terminal and stop at Tung Chung Station. Before heading to Ngong Ping, we stopped by Citygate outlets for lunch. There are plenty of dining options here. If you're carrying luggage, you can store it in basement 2 using the octopus card or cash. I'll put the details in the description below. Now it's time for one of the highlights of our trip, the Ngong Ping 360 cable car. We booked our tickets via Klook, so we went straight to the Klook lane instead of the regular line. We chose the Crystal Cabin, which costs 1,648 feet per person one way. But you can also take the standard cabin for 1,368. The cable car ride takes around 25 minutes, offering breathtaking views of Lantau Island. Welcome to Ngong Ping Village. This place feels like a traditional Chinese village, with lots of souvenir shops, food stalls, and cultural spots.
Hả? Oh, yan na. Or sa temple sa taon na? Ta. Ma. Kapoy ka?
And look, there are cows roaming freely. They are sacred to Buddhists. Here it is, the Tian Tan Buddha, one of Hong Kong's most famous landmarks. This massive bronze statue stands 34 meters tall and symbolizes harmony between man and nature. It's definitely worth the climb. Next, we visited the Po Lin Monastery, a beautiful Buddhist temple known for its intricate architecture and peaceful surroundings. This is one of the most important monasteries in Hong Kong.
Ha?
Kung babae.
Namara man tagkasaban. Namara tag bata nga mahadlok ng dool ba?
Lagi.
After exploring, we took bus 23 back to Tongcheng Station. The ride takes about 1 hour and costs 18.7 Hong Kong dollar, a great way to see more of Lantau Island. From Tongcheng, we took the MTR to Tim Sha Tsui, which cost 18.1 Hong Kong dollar. This area is famous for its shopping, food, and the iconic Victoria Harbour skyline. We arrived in Tim Sha Tsui in the evening, and the city is so alive at night. There's so much to explore, but we'll save that for another vlog. That's it for day 1 of our Hong Kong adventure. Tomorrow we're heading to Disneyland, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel vlogs. See you in the next one.